Namaskar, Vanakkam, good evening to one and all from the inner core of my heart. Dear friends, I, Deepak Kumar Singh, on the behalf of myself, Pondicherry Central University, welcome one and all. Today's program is a kind of get-together. It is a platform to exchange our ideas. It is an opportunity to express our views. ये जिंदगी होती नहीं रो रो कर बिताने के लिए, ढूंढ लो कोई बहाना मुस्कुराने के लिए. अगर डूबना होगा तो किनारे भी डुबो देंगे, अगर डूबना होगा तो किनारे भी डुबो देंगे, वरना सागर में टापू भी होते हैं बचाने के लिए. First of all, I would like to salute to the freedom fighters who have given their life and comfort for the dignity, self-respect and pride of this country. I would like to salute to each and every citizen of this country who has contributed for the development and progress of this country. I would like to salute to the soil of this country from which we have got created. Dear friends, यूनान मिस्र रोम सब मिट गए इस जहां से, यूनान मिस्र रोम सब मिट गए इस जहां से, बाकी अभी तलक है नामो निशा हमारा. सदियों रहा है दुश्मन दौरे जमाना हमारा, सदियों रहा है दुश्मन दौरे जमाना हमारा, कुछ बात है कि हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी. Dear friends, India is a country of diversity. India is a country of differences. India is a country where so many languages, so many races, so many people from different culture, different background, different races, different caste and community live together, coexist together. But still India is one. But still India is one. When India got independence, the people, the critics and the foreign forces used to think that this country will disintegrate within few years or within decades. But still India is existing on this planet, still India is existing on the map of this earth. Nation is above everything, country first, nation is beyond everything. Dear friends, India is a country where more than 65% of population is below the age of 35. India is a young country, it is a country of youth. There are so many threats, there are so many problems India is facing, but still we are able to maintain the unity and integrity of this country, and we will continue this at any cost and under any kind of circumstances. There are other problems also. Hunger, poverty, unemployment are the real problems of the country. So it's our responsibility to fight against these anti-nationalistic forces as well as the problems which we are facing in the country. Dear friends, to ignite the spark of nationalism in the heart and mind of each and every citizen, each and every individual is our responsibility as well as our duty. If the rulers are unable to protect the territory, dignity and self-respect of the country, then the duty and responsibility comes on our shoulder. And in that kind of circumstances, it's our responsibility to protect the dignity, self-respect and pride of this country. Dear friends, in Thirukural, a Tamil scripture, it has been said that when there is a virtuousness in the heart, there is a beauty in the character. When there is a beauty in the character, there is harmony in the home. When there is a harmony in the home, there is an order in the nation. And when there is an order in the nation, there is a peace in the world. Lastly, I would like to say, सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना हमारा मकसद नहीं, हमारी कोशिश है कि ये सूरत बदलनी चाहिए. मेरे सीने में नहीं तो तेरे सीने में सही, मेरे सीने में नहीं तो तेरे सीने में सही, हो कहीं भी आग लेकिन आग जलनी चाहिए. Let us join our hands together to serve this nation. जय हिंद। जिंदा रहने के मौसम बहुत हैं मगर जान देने की रुत रोज आती नहीं। हुस्न और इश्क दोनों को रुसवा करे वो जवानी, हुस्न और इश्क दोनों को रुसवा करे वो जवानी जो खून में नहाती नहीं। जिंदा रहने के मौसम बहुत हैं मगर जान देने की रुत रोज आती नहीं। हुस्न और इश्क दोनों को रुसवा करे वो जवानी जो खून में नहाती नहीं। जिंदा है तू जिंदगी की जीत पे यकीन कर, अगर कहीं है स्वर्ग तो उतार ला जमीन पर। तू जिंदा है तू जिंदगी की जीत पे यकीन कर, अगर कहीं है स्वर्ग तो उतार ला जमीन पर। थैंक यू वेरी मच। तुम बेसहारा हो तो किसी का सहारा बनो, तुम बेसहारा हो तो किसी का सहारा बनो, सहारा खुद मिल जाएगा। डूबती हुई कश्ती को किनारे पे लगा दो, किनारा खुद मिल जाएगा। तुम बेसहारा हो तो किसी का सहारा बनो, सहारा खुद मिल जाएगा। डूबती हुई कश्ती को किनारे पे लगा दो, किनारा खुद मिल जाएगा। तो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर I would like to thank one and all, each one of you from the inner core of my heart for your kind presence, passions, cooperation and unconditional support. Once again, I would like to thank each one of you. Lastly, I would like to say, चिरागों को आँखों में महफूज रखना, चिरागों को आँखों में महफूज रखना, बहुत दूर तक रात ही रात होगी। मुसाफिर हैं हम भी, मुसाफिर हो तुम भी, मुसाफिर हैं हम भी, मुसाफिर हो तुम भी, फिर किसी मोड़ पे मुलाकात होगी। So now we will end up this program.